jog auto selector switch. We're in jog mode. Two-hand operation down. One-hand operation up. Auto cycle. Fast down. Slow. Pressing. Have to hold the buttons until the dwell timer starts. The dwell timer will not start until it reaches pressure. Run another one. Rapid. Slow. Pressure. Starts the dwell timer. Set up your different heights and slow down speeds. You go to press setup. We'll change the top stop set point. Do a manual entry. We'll change it to 17. Hit enter. Hit done. It will not change until you exit. Now you have a new top stop set point. Works for all the different positions. Dwell timer. Set a new timer, 15, enter, done, exit. You go to press monitor, it'll show you actual positions, speeds. In the auto mode, when it's under pressure, you can hit the yellow return button and it returns instantly.
It is wired for 480.